Hey everyone, this is Chris from Goodies Galore, and what I have today is a pair of very rare Zildjian Constantinople Orchestral cymbals with the old stamp. They're from the 20s to very early 1930 or 1929, somewhere around there. They're 22-inch. They're over 3,200 grams each. Basically, from what I've been told, they're a very rare pair. But I have been getting tons of requests to give them a tap to see how they sound. So I'm going to do this because I want to document it, and I also want anybody that's looking at these to be able to hear them. I don't have any professional setup, so I have it really close to the camera. I have a mallet like this, and I was told to use this. That would be the best approach. I'm totally novice, so I have no clue what I'm doing. But here goes. I will be quiet from here on out. Let's hear these extremely rare, from what I've been told and what I've researched, cymbals. Here is the first one. And I've been told they're a little bit different. Each one is a little bit different. So we'll see how that goes. Here's the first one. I'll do a light tap first. I don't know if a bell shot should be done, but here's one. And maybe a rim. I don't know. Here's towards the end. All right, so that was the first one. The one, I don't know if you can tell which one it is. The lighting's horrible in here, but okay. And the next one. Here's the next one. It's the one that has the spots a little bit on it. I haven't cleaned anything on them, but here's the other one. Soft one first, I'll do. A bell. And a rim. And one last hard one. there you go. I don't exactly know much about these, but I'll tell you those are, I mean, they were giving me a little bit of goosebumps on the sounds that were flowing through those. So I hope you enjoyed them, and basically this is what you were looking at, these guys right here, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good night.